Howdy, train folk. It's Eli, back again. Today we have this anniversary 2023 Union Pacific. I've got 3 matching sets and 2 matching passenger car sets and 1 donor shell. This particular engine has been modified and has a side switch E-unit. I don't know how well it works because I have never turned this thing on. It's been in my collection for a long time and just finally getting around to taking it apart and going through it all. I've got everything taken apart here already. Look at how nasty that is in there. Oh man. Funky. There we go. It's not too bad. It'll clean up just fine. Let's see what we can do with this thing. I'll be back. Just about got this thing stripped apart here. I had to point out what importance it is to keep your track clean and free of debris. Look at all this wire and stuff just stuck to the body of the Magna Traction trucks. God. Man, oh, it's a powerful one too. Look at that. Okay, we'll get all these pieces of wire fragments off here, strip it off the frame, and start cleaning up everything. To make it easier to clean this truck assembly off, I'm going to unsolder the wire on the coil coupler so I can get this thing free and by itself. Okay, I've got the snap ring and the first thrust washer off. Here's the first set of thrust bearings on the armature axle or armature shaft. We'll take that off and then pull out the armature. Before I pull this apart, I just wanted to show you what this looks like in here. There's still one thrust washer up against the housing here. There's the thrust bearing and then the first outer thrust washer. I'm going backwards here. I'm moving from front to back, but I've already got the front assembly all clean. A couple more parts soaking, one little bearing and bearing thrust washer to clean off for the rest of the armature. This thing's starting to shine up here pretty good. Next we'll put this in there for a little bath and continue on. What's up, folks? Got the coupler back together, the light back together. Got the rear trucks all back together. Going to put the armature inside and grease all the bearings. I'll be back. Oh, also, here is the commutator face. It looks really good. Nice and clean. Always make sure to clean your grooves out here with a toothpick or some sort of little metal pick, something like that. People say to use an eraser. Sometimes that works, but I just used a green scrubby pad, and it shines up nice. All right. Okay, I've got the worm wheel greased. It's not excess, but just enough to cover all the splines of the gear. And it self-coats itself as it spins around inside there. The armature shaft is already greased. All I gotta do is mount that together and then attach the truck assembly to the base. All right, I'll be back. All right, folks, all done, all greased, oiled, batteries in there. I have not even messed with this switch here. Let's see what that switch does. I don't know if it does anything. Sounds smooth. Set it up on this little block here. All right, nice. Now to clean off the other A unit and one of these sets of cars. All right, I'll be back.